Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Skills Spiral. I am back again with another video, and in this video we will discuss about the abilities that are you able to be a writer or not. Now I am sharing the very basic thing with you people, that whenever you are trying to build a building, then the important thing which you should have to keep in mind is that how is the structure of that building. In other words, that if the structure is strong, then the building will be strong. But if the structure will be weak, then the building will definitely weak. In the same way, whenever you are trying to enter in any new profession, or whenever you are trying to do anything, then the only thing which you must go through is the ability, that are you able to do that work or not. When you will be not able to do that, then no matter how much hard work you do, the only thing which you will face at last moment will be nothing but the criticism. Now that was the example of a building. Now what about us? What about human being, or what about a human's mind? The first ever thing which we should have to do is that we should have to build the structure in our mind. So here the question arises that how do we structure the mind? So as I said in the previous lecture, that there is a deep connection between emotion and mind. And in today's, I am saying you that the second important thing for our mind is our thoughts. Now what about thoughts? Is there any connection of the thought with the structure we are talking about? Then my answer is exactly yes. There is not only the connection, but a thought in human's mind is entirely the structure of our mind. By our thoughts, we make the structure into our mind, and this structure is the base of your ability. It is the base that tells that are you able to be a writer or not. Now let me tell you a story here which will definitely figure it out, that how deep your thoughts are, or how deep your structure is. Is your structure enough to make you a writer? Is it strong or is it weak? No matter what your structure is, but believe me, you will be definitely more stronger than you were after listening this story. The years back, in the fifth grade, I wrote a poem. I wasn't even 1% excited about it. But believe me, I was very confused. But you know what? My teacher thought that it was very brilliant. I never remember what was in it. I don't remember what words I had used. Not only this, but I don't remember the title either. So I don't understand what exactly was brilliant in that poem. But the only thing that I understood was that this was a moment when I become a writer. The only ability which makes you writer is the spirit to start. Know your worth, that you have this ability, that you can start writing no matter how and when. Here the questions arises that how to start and when to start. How to start is another debate, but when to start is the moment when you are able to know that you have that ability to start writing anything, because this is the moment when you are waiting for. Let me give you an advice here, that leave your fears aside and just start now. Now we are clear that we should have to start now. We should have to start today. Then another question arises, that how to start, or how should I start? Now coming on how to start, believe me, there are million, billion and trillions of ways available. As there are million, billions and trillions of the things which are available in this world. Have you ever thought that how many things you see whole day, from the beginning of the day to the end of the day? Your every sense is in work the whole day. As our eyes are busy in watching this world, and our ears are busy in listening it. And if you are able to think about them, then you are definitely able to write. The whole day you see countless things with your eyes. Do you know what it means? It means that thousands of countless opportunities to write. I hope that you are ready to write now, no matter what, how, but the thing that I know is when. You will start to write now. Let me believe on you that you can write. So here is your first assignment of the course. I want you to know your worth. I want you to sit comfortably and remember things you saw the whole day, or to remember those thoughts which comes into your minds whole day and night. Just sit, close your eyes and think about them, that what you have saw the whole day and night, and what was the first thought which came into your mind by watching that, and what was your last thought which came into your mind by watching that object or thing. Just do nothing, but only choose a one and write something. Remember one thing, that this is to make you people start. Write whatever you want to write. Your first 100 words of the writing will make you understand that you have the ability to be a writer. By doing this, you will know your worth. So write whatever you want to write. Write on any topic you want to write. No matter that you write a half page or a complete page, or even 2 to 4 lines. But the only thing I want from you people is that write anything you want to write. And remember that it is your first assignment of this course. Now summarizing today's lecture on these 2 lines, that if you are successful to write about anything, or you are successful to do what I taught to you, then it means that you are able to be a writer. But remember that if you ignored, or you leave it on tomorrow, or your fears make you weak, then you are not able to be the writer. Thank you very much, and do it as soon as possible.